you have learned numbers and you have also learned how to subtract different numbers. But did you know that you can use these things learned in your maths class in solving the everyday life problems? That is, the problems which exist all around you. Problems of what kind? So, say you go for shopping and you buy something and you need to find how much money is left with you after buying, say, chocolates or whatever. Or maybe if you distribute your things or share your things with your siblings or friends, then how much is left with you? So we always want to find how much do we have, how much things, how much money, chocolates are we left with? And these numbers and subtraction help us in doing so. So let us see how you can solve and help others solve their problems using these. So this is a word problem here. It says a shopkeeper has 5 candies. He sold 3 candies. How many candies is he left with? So the shopkeeper had 5 candies and he sold 3 candies. How many candies is he left with? Now we know whenever we solve word problems, we first write what is given. So what is given? It is given that this shopkeeper had 5 candies. So the number of candies with the shopkeeper is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 candies which the shopkeeper had and he sold 3 candies. So the number of candies which he sold is equal to 3. See, 1, 2, 3. So he sold 3 candies. Now what do we need to find? We need to find how many candies is he left with. So can you help the shopkeeper? Well, yes. So left with means he first had 5 and he sold 3 candies. That means someone took away those 3 candies from him. We know that taking away means subtraction. So there were these 5 candies and from these 5 candies, these 3 candies were sold or taken away by someone. So what will he be left with? How do we find? We need to subtract 3 from 5. So the number of candies he is left with is, how do we find this? By subtracting 3 from 5. We always subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. So the number of candies he is left with is 5 minus 3. So it is 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? So I have these 5 candies. Let me remove 3 candies. 1, 2, 3. I have removed these 3 candies. So how many candies am I left with? 1, 2. I am left with 2 candies. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So the shopkeeper is left with 2 candies. So this is how subtraction helped the shopkeeper in finding out how many candies is he left with. So these people always need to know how many of each item are they left with. And this is how they can find out using word problems and subtraction. Let's solve one more word problem. Robin has 12 grapes. A crow comes and takes away 4 grapes. How many grapes does he have now? So, this boy Robin initially or first had 12 grapes. And a naughty crow comes and takes away 4 grapes. So, we know that taking away is subtraction. So we need to help Robin to find how many grapes does he have now. We can easily do it using subtraction. So let's help him out. So first, what do we write? We write what is given to us. It is given that Robin has 12 grapes. So the number of grapes with Robin is equal to 12. The number of grapes with Robin. Next, what is given? The crow takes away 4 grapes. So the number of grapes taken away by the crow is equal to 4. Now we will write what we need to find or what is asked in the word problem. So we find how many grapes does he have now. So the number of grapes with Robin now is what we get by subtracting 4 from 12. That is, number of grapes with Robin now is number of grapes which he had minus the number of grapes taken away by the crow. So grapes with Robin minus grapes taken away, which is equal to 12 minus 4. And what is 12 minus 4? Now since you know subtraction, you should be able to tell me what is 12 minus 4. So find out. If your answer is 8, then you have actually helped Robin solve his problem. So Robin still has 8 grapes left with him even after the crow has taken away 4 grapes. So this is how we have helped Robin solve his problem. Now, an important thing to note here is that this takes away, these two words have actually helped us know whether we need to subtract these numbers or not. So using these words, we came to know that we need to solve this problem using subtraction. In fact, there are several words like this, like left with, take away, minus, less than. All these words indicate subtraction. So whenever you see these words in a word problem, it means that you need to subtract. In fact, not just these, there are several other words which also mean taking away. And in all those cases, you need to subtract. So practice some more word problems on subtraction and see how you can solve your everyday life problems using subtraction and numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.